Hi guys, if you wish to increase your computer RAM in laptop or desktop, both Windows 10 or 11, but you don't have a physical RAM to install, then using virtual memory may be your only solution. This process will increase computer speed as well as boost system performance. So to do that, come to your search box and type about, and you will see about your PC and click on it. Here you can see the capacity of your physical installed RAM. Mine is 4GB. Yours can be 2GB, 4GB, 6GB, 8GB, or any, depending on your computer specifications. So here you have to click on Advanced System Settings. Then under Performance, you click Settings. Then here you click Advanced. From there, when you come to this area, you will see Virtual Memory, which says a paging file is an area on your hard disk that Windows uses as if it was a RAM. This means that on your hard disk or SSD, there is an available space that can be used as a RAM to boost system performance. So here you click Change. Now here uncheck this automatic manage paging file size for all drives. From there, if you have more than one drive, you need to choose a drive with available space. I will recommend you leave it automatically set to your drive C. After, click Custom Size, and these two spaces will be available: the initial size and the maximum size. So here you will need to pay maximum attention because you will have to enter the values for initial size and maximum size. So I created this guide or formula to assist you. You can see that the coefficient for calculating the initial size RAM is 1.5 and the coefficient of calculating the maximum size RAM is 3.0. I am using a 4GB of RAM, so here the calculation will be like this. Let me bring up the calculator. 4, which is the size of the RAM, multiplied by 1024, which is the conversion value of a gigabyte to megabytes. Multiply again by the initial coefficient size of RAM, which is 1.5. So you will get 6144 megabytes. So I'll enter it. Again, let's do for the maximum size, which is also 4. Multiply by 1024. Multiply again by coefficient, which is 3. And we got 12288 megabytes. So I'll enter it. From the guide, you see I have already entered the values for 2GB, 4GB, 6GB, 8GB, and 16GB. So if you have any problem, then you can please contact me in the comment section below and I will respond back to you soon as I can. After that, click Set. Then OK. So here you can see the paging file is set to the initial size, which in my case is 6144 megabytes. After that, click OK. And OK again. And you are done. From here, restart your computer and you will enjoy a boost in performance and speed. So that's all for today. Please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.